Okay, we have the DNA filter and we have this snorkel Airbox cover, and we're going to open this up. The original has just a opening straight through here, so I will instead try to saw off completely the snorkel here and see if I can open it up that way. Okay, let's see. I have this saw here. I have a knife to finish taking off ridges and edges and stuff like that. Let's see if I can open this up. Okay, there's the DNA filter. Let's put it aside, and this is the finished product. There are some residue here. Let's see. So when you cut out the last edges around here, I found out that the best way to do it is use the tip of the knife, work yourself around on the outside, making a an angled cut, so that when you cut the inside, it's easier to cut the narrower edges here. So use the edge of the knife so you don't damage the inside. So when you got rid of all the excess plastic residue, you can take a fiber cloth and just wipe around so you get all the plastic residue and dust off from outside and inside. Then fit it on the DNA filter.